I learn ABC A to Z. A. A is for apple. B. B is for balloon. C. C is for cat. D. D is for doll. E. E is for egg. F. F is for flower. G. G is for grass. H. H is for hat. I. I is for insect. J. J is for jelly. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lamb. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for octopus. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for ring. You see lowercase s. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U. U is for unicorn. V. V is for vase. W. W is for water. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for york. Z. Z is for zebra. Let's repeat along with me. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. Bye.